So in front of me, I have the Blue Yeticaster Professional Broadcast Bundle. I'm very excited to show you this today because I feel like this is such a great solution for so many creators just like me and my channel. A newer creator maybe can't afford to buy the absolute best of the best gear and spend thousands upon thousands of dollars on hardware. While this is a really great affordable solution for people like that who just want that professional clean sound, but like I said, they're not trying to absolutely obliterate their bank accounts. So today I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing out of the box. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the ins, the outs, the do's, the don'ts, show you my setup process, show you a little bit how it works, and then we'll demo it because I have a few different mics. You can see a lapel mic I'm wearing. I have a Rode shotgun mic, and then now we're gonna try this blue microphone here. But let's go ahead and jump straight into the unboxing so we can go ahead and check out the review. If you're looking to take your content creation to the next level, then you need to make sure your audio is on point. I've said this before, but for the benefit of anyone who is new to my channel, I will say it again. People will come watch your videos because the thumbnails are great and the titles are intriguing, but they're gonna stay because the audio sounds amazing. The Blue Yeti provides a rich and full-bodied sound for an extremely reasonable price, which is why it's so popular among content creators. Now, this bundle is going to come with 3 pieces of audio hardware. 1, the Blue Yeti microphone, 2, the Radius shock mount, and 3, the Compass boom arm. So it's important to note that all 3 of these hardware components, they can be purchased separately, but by buying them all together in this bundle, you will end up saving a good amount of money. If you were to purchase everything separately, you'd be spending around $270. But if you purchase them all together in the bundle like I did, you'll only be paying around $175 total. I'll go ahead and leave a link to the mic in the description below if you guys want to check that out. Setting up the arm is really simple. You'll go ahead and grab the included C-clamp to tighten down onto the edge of your desk, and then you're just going to simply slide the arm into the C-clamp base that you already tightened down, and then you just attach the microphone that's going to counterbalance the weight of the arm, and then you're pretty much all set to go. Other than that, you're just going to plug in one end of the cable into the bottom of your Blue Yeti microphone, run the cable down those cable management channels like we talked about earlier, and then you're simply going to plug the USB into your laptop or your computer, and then it's all really just plug and play from there. Very simple to do. Part of what makes this microphone so dang cool is that underneath the cover there are actually 3 different microphones. This is going to give you so much versatility while recording. You can easily record alone, with another creator, or even capture sounds from an entire room. If you check out the face of the mic, you'll notice that right underneath the gain adjustment knob, there's actually a switch that allows you to change between 4 different recording patterns. First up, we have cardioid mode, which picks up what is directly in front of the mic. This is probably best for filming alone when you don't really want to capture all the background noise. Next up, we have bi-directional mode, which is going to pick up sound from the front and the back of the microphone. This is great for a podcast or interview style setup, which will allow you to capture great audio from 2 people at the exact same time. Our third mode is very unique. It's called omnidirectional mode, and it's going to allow you to hear 360-degree audio, so you can truly just set the mic down into a center of a room, and this mode's going to allow you to capture everything, so think a family gathering. Last but not least, we have stereo mode. This is going to help pick up left and right channels of the microphone, which really helps to capture a wide dynamic range of sound. It's pretty awesome because you can create a really nice audio effect that's going to let your listeners hear movement from left to right, like okay, that wasn't really that awesome, but you get my point. You can create really nice audio effects. For anyone who happens to be brand new on my channel and they've never used a mic like this before, I want to give you a couple do's and don'ts. The biggest one is make sure when you're talking into this microphone that you're talking into the face, and it's going to be right above that blue logo, right onto the front of the microphone, right under here. That's where the speaker is. So you're going to want to make sure you're talking right there, not into the top of it, because I think a lot of times people get confused when they're holding a microphone up on stage. That's not the way this one works. So just make sure that you save yourself the headache and talk into the face of the microphone. All right, guys, so that is going to wrap up today's video on the Blue Yeti Pro Bundle Yeticaster microphone. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget those notification bells, and make sure you give me a thumbs up if this video did help you out whatsoever. But until I see you tomorrow on day 3 of 31 straight days of uploads, we out.